Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, how are you? Uh, this is a further optimization of my Zanfarali generator, and today I'll be conducting a few experiments. And the one interesting thing which I have found is basically the concept of negative resistance. If you see the multimeter, it is on temperature mode, and at the moment it is showing 21.6 Celsius. And I'll also show you the EMF electromotive force around this resonant coil, and I have also placed a gauge meter which will show you the magnetic flux around it. So at the moment I have set the voltage supply to 16 volts and current is 1 amperes maximum, but it will definitely draw less than that. And this is the power supply. This is pulse width modulate this is a buck boost converter which will further set 15 volts for the gate of the N MOSFET switch, and it will pulse this primary and secondary L1 and L2 inductors, and they are kept in resonance. This is PWM. It will set the resonant frequency for these two inductors, and the back EMF is being harvested through these two diodes. If you can see, these are MUR8100EG fast switching diodes, and the maximum current rating for each of them is 8 amperes. So I just switch it on, the power supply. At the moment it is drawing 71 to 72 milliamps, and this 12 volt LED bulb is glowing. This is 8 watts LED bulb, and it consumes 110 volts to 220 volts AC. This is its internal driving circuit, and the other load is, if you can see, that is 12 watt LED bulb which consumes 110 to 220 volts, and I'll just switch them on using the pulse modulation. Okay, that is EMF multimeter. I don't know, it sometimes starts just detecting EMF because I switch it on, so it is detecting EMF. Let me switch it off, and it's still detecting because the adapter is on. So I just switch off the adapter, and now it's off. Okay, I switch it on. Okay, that was my this bulb, this multimeter. Let me switch it on again. Okay. Okay, it's switched on. It is glowing at 11% duty cycle. Let me increase it, and you should have a look on this 21.4 Celsius temperature rating. This is the temperature sensors connected to the heat sink of my N MOSFET. I'm increasing the pulse width 17%, 36%, 38%, 40%, 50%, 74%, and 79%. Okay, let me switch on the other load. This one is connected on the primary side with drain of the N MOSFET, and this upper one is basically connected on the secondary side. So I just switch on the secondary. Okay, now the back EMF is being generated, so the Gauss meter is detecting very strong that magnetic flux. So, and temperature is still 21.6%. Now if I do something weird like I just remove this load from the primary, now this temperature will start increasing. I don't know why. It's increasing slightly. And if I connect it, it shows the negative resistance. Now I reduce the pulse width. Okay, now duty cycle is 49% and current consumption is 286 milliamps, and here the total current consumption is 307 milliamps. EMF is still being detected, but the magnetic flux has been stopped or it has been reduced. I don't know. This resonance, the system in resonance with high Q has some weird effects, and still I think physics cannot comprehend it. Thank you.